Hi viewers, today we're going to look at the Excel VBA random formula in Excel 2013. So it's going to run random values every time you run it. So and we're going to use a message box to display these random values. So in the view tab of Excel 2013, within the macro section, click on the drop down and click on record, and then we're going to name this this macro RND for randomize underscore fx for function. Click on OK, stop that from running, and then I'm going to go into it and I'm going to edit the code with the code I've written earlier on. So if I paste this code in and get rid of the duplicate n sub and sub, there we go, in there. So before every line of code I write, I always put in a error handling clause called on error resume next, and then you can see the MSGBOX basically stands for display the value in the message box, and the value that's going to be displayed is RND with nothing in the bracket, which is just a random number. So if I click on play to test that, you can see a random number of 0.705 comes up. If I close this and run this directly in Excel by clicking on the macros button in the view tab, click on run, another number, different number comes up with 0.5, and if I click on run again, a different number comes up of 0.57. If I run it again, a different number comes up of 0.289. So you can see like how this works. You can see the sort of the value of it in some sense. What you can do is multiply that number by 10, I guess. I've never tried this before. And click on play, and it gives you a number above decimal. So if I say multiply that by 100, see that, play that, it gives me 77. Then if I play it again, it gives me 1.401. If I play it again, it gives me 76.07. If I play it again, it gives me 81. If I play it again, it gives me 70.09. If I play it again, it gives me 4.5. So basically, that's a good way of having numbers above the number 1 most of the time when you use the random function in Excel VBA 2013.